Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this cool measurement right here in my hand, and basically what this is massage gun right here, if you guys can see. And the cool thing about the massage gun is the fact that it's not like constricted to like where you guys can actually use the massage gun itself. It actually has a rotatable head right here where you can actually adjust it. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and what is included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product itself, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside right here. So they do provide you guys instruction manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then everything else inside right here. So for this product in particular, it gives you guys 7 different massage heads right here, and it gives you guys actual massage gun right here. So I'm actually take out the massage head first to show you guys what each one looks like first. So here's the first one, here's the second one, here's the third one, here's the fourth one, here's the fifth one, here's number 6, here's number 7. So this is the ball head design right here, and that is basically all the massage head that is included in the packaging itself. And when we take out the massage gun, this is basically what it looks like right here. And then right underneath the massage gun, if you guys take a look right there, there's some more stuff right here. So let me actually take it out first. So they do provide you guys this replacement accessory right here if you guys need to replace it for the massage gun itself. And then right here, they provide you guys a cable that you don't have to use to recharge it. And the cable that they provide for you guys right here, it is a USB to USB-C cable. So that way actually makes it more compact for you to use anywhere you want to, where you want to plug it into a wall charger or a power bank to recharge it. You guys definitely have a lot of different options. So that way you're not restricted to just using that specific cable to recharge it, like a lot of other massage guns that's out there. But that is basically everything that's included in the packaging itself right here. Now let's actually take a look at the actual massage gun right here. So you can see the way how they design it is pretty awesome and very unique. So you can definitely hold it right here, or you can definitely hold it here as well. And then right here is obviously where to put in the massage head itself right here. And this is the part where it says rotatable, which is super awesome. So you can either use it in this angle, or you can bring it down all the way like this. So you can use it like that as well. Or you can push it like this, and use it in that angle, or in that angle, or in that angle, or in that angle. So you definitely have a lot of different options to use for this, which is super awesome, especially if you guys can't reach certain part of your back compared to like other massage guns that's out in the market today. So there's a total of 5 different positions when you guys use this option for the movable angle head right here. And in terms of the battery itself, it actually has a maximum of 9 hours of usage if you guys use it correctly, obviously at the lower speed level or whatever. If you guys use it at the high speed level, you mostly will not get that 9 hours I mentioned. And then the way how you guys charge it is by using the cable that they provide for you guys, which is a USB-C cable. And basically where you plug in the cable to recharge it is right here. So if you guys take a look on the side right here, that is basically where you will plug in the cable to recharge it. And right here is the button to activate it. So I press and hold this button right here. It activates the product right there. So right here is the battery life, and then right here is the speed level. There's a total of 36 speed levels right here, and all you need to do is press it one time to change it. So that's the maximum. So if I press it one more time, it goes back to 1. And if you guys want to turn it off, press and hold it, and it turns off. So if you guys notice, when I actually increase the speed level from 1 to 36, you can see the battery life change from 99 to 80. So you definitely see that I actually use a lot more battery when you guys actually change it from like the lower speed level to high speed level. So like I mentioned earlier, in order for you guys to get that 9-hour battery life on here, you definitely do need to use it at the lowest speed level. Otherwise, most likely you will not get that 9 hours I mentioned in terms of the battery life on here. In terms of the dB on the actual product itself, they mentioned that it should be pretty quiet, around like 35 to 40. So I'm actually testing out using the dB tester that I have. So I'm plugging the massage head right here first, and I'm gonna turn it this way. And then I got my tester right here, so let's turn it on. Alright, so that's speed level 1. You can see that speed level 1 is around like 50 or 51. So it's not like super quiet that I mentioned. Let me actually increase it a little bit higher. Alright, so you can see that speed level 36 is around like 56. So it is pretty loud, so it's not around like the 30 range or 45 range that it mentions in the actual listing itself. Honestly, I don't think that's a huge issue as long as the product itself it does work. But if that is an issue for you guys in terms of how loud the actual product is, that's definitely something to kind of consider. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Before I actually test it out, I do want to charge out the product to show you guys how to know when it's charging and how to actually charge it first. So I'm plugging the cable that they provide for us right here into my power bank. And then all I want to do is plug in the cable right here in the bottom part right here. And once we have it plugged in, you guys can see the light pops on right there. And that's how you guys know when the product itself is charging. So I guess the way how you guys know when the product itself is fully charged is by unplugging it and turn it on. And if I see 99 on here, then that means fully charged. If it doesn't show 99, then it's probably not fully charged yet. And if you try to turn on the product itself while it's being charged, it won't work. So you can only use the product itself when it's not charging. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually test it out myself and see how well it performs. So let's turn it on first. Let me adjust this a little bit. Alright. So I just want to go like this. Alright, so speed level 1 is pretty weak, it's not that strong, and you see that stops by itself. So I'm not sure if they have like an auto stop on here, but let me actually bring up the speed level first. Let me bring it up to like 30. Alright, so we have it at 30. Let's try again. So when we have it on 30, it's definitely a lot better. I can definitely feel the massage a lot better as well, and you see that doesn't stop. So I guess if you guys apply too much pressure onto it, then it actually will stop. So I'm actually trying to apply some more pressure onto it. So if you guys apply too much pressure onto it, then it actually stops by itself. So it definitely has that kind of like safety feature onto it. And you guys want to reactivate it, just press it again and it turns back on. Let me turn it on the speed level 36. Alright, so speed level 36. So when we use speed level 36, it's pretty good as well. It's definitely not as strong as like a lot of massage guns that I've tested in the past, but it performs pretty good for what it is. And especially for the price that you're paying for this product, is not that bad as well. Especially since it has that adjustable angle here as well for the massage head. That's actually really cool. So that way if I want to target certain part of my body that cannot reach with regular massage guns, I can definitely do for this one like this. You guys can see that I can reach different parts like very low right here that I can't really do with regular massage guns. And I can always readjust it like this to target other parts as well. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. You guys can see that it works pretty well. Now that we took unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this product is actually really worth it if you guys want more than need one of these, especially because of everything that I mentioned on the product itself. But definitely the main winner of the product is like what I mentioned in terms of the massage head right here. The fact that it's actually just the head right here to 5 different positions. And like I mentioned, that's actually really useful if you guys want to target certain parts of your body, your back, or whatever that you can't do with regular massage guns. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, don't need one, or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.